Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A90, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, we will need to open up the Files app, which will be located in the Samsung folder. Files, there we go. And from here, we want to open up either the internal storage or SD card. Now I'm going to go into the internal, that's I think where my files are that I want to move. So once you open it, you can see this entire folder structure. So there is a lot of them that aren't very important. So the actually important folders where you will find things that you might actually want to find will be things like the DCIM folder, which will contain pictures and screenshots along with screen recordings. So it's all here. Then if we go out, you also have the downloads folder where you will find anything that has been downloaded onto the device, that'd be through a web browser or email. It all gets saved into here. And then we also have the pictures folder, but if I'm correct, in this case it's gonna be empty because DCIM contains screenshots as well. So majority of the other folders will be empty, assuming you actually haven't placed something there yourself, but then if you did, you probably know about it. So it looks like my photos are actually right in here. Yep. So as you can see, also under the DCIM folder, there is a camera. But because the SD card is already in there, the phone decided to save to the SD card. Or maybe I just confirmed it. I don't remember. But yeah, that's where my files are. So they're on the SD card right now. Once you find your files, you want to then select them, and you do so by simply holding it. As you can see, it just kind of does this glitchy thing. And it's now selected, and you can tap on additional ones to select more. So once you select your files, what you want to do is choose one of the options. So you can either move or copy. Select whichever one suits you. I'm gonna go with move, and from here you basically want to backtrack. So I'm gonna move it into the internal storage. So I'm gonna drop it somewhere here. There we go. And I'm gonna move it into here, and there we go. It's instantly moved to the internal storage. As you can see, there they are, also with the N sign for a new. And if I were to go back to the SD card to DCIM, there is going to be only one photo, as you can clearly see right here. And that is basically how you remove any kind of file from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.